Hey guys, let's see how to set up a Tapo C210 on an Android device. I have here a Samsung Galaxy S8 and here I have the Tapo app and the camera ready to go. When you just get the camera out of the box, you're gonna see the camera flashing here red and green. Okay, I just connected the camera to power and it's ready to go. You just need to get the app and start the setup, right? So here you can get this app on the Google Store. You just come here and type Tapo, search for Tapo, and then TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. Then you just download, install, create an account using your email, and then you create a password, and you just log in with your password, right? Already done that, so I can just open the app. The first time that you open the app here, you're gonna see just a button to add a new device. I already have different Tapo devices here, so this app works with different cameras at the same time. So I just need to come here to the plus signal and add a new device and just select the camera that I want. Here, indoor camera and Tapo C210. Let me just come down and look for this one. There we go, Tapo C210. And here the LED is flashing, red and green. If it's not, you just need to come here and reset your camera, okay? So let me just show here that you just need to move the lens up. And here there's a reset button that I just need to press and hold until the camera resets. And then you're gonna see the camera spinning, coming back up, and having this LED flashing like this, red and green. So you're good to go. Just hit next. And now the camera is going to connect directly to the cell phone. You just need to wait and observe this animation. There we go, it's working fine. There we go. Now you just need to select here the Wi-Fi that you're going to use. That's your router, okay, and the password. You just need to reselect here and find yours. That's mine. I just hit next, confirm here, next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, so you just hear the message, and then you just observe the LED here. It's still red, okay? It's going to become green, steady green. That means the last stage that the camera is good, right? So it's pairing the device. You just need to wait for a little bit longer. There we go. You hear this chime, and you see here that changes to green. Then you just name your camera. I'm gonna leave it like this, Tapo C210. Hit next. Select the location here, office, and here select an icon. Next again. And here it's complete, it sounds good. And you get this offer here for the 30-day trial. You can just record everything in the cloud storage. And after 30 days, you're gonna pay a monthly fee to keep recording into the cloud. It's not mandatory, you can also record into the SD card. You can just dismiss this. And the next option here is to use an SD card. You see here that you can use an SD card from 8 GB to 512 for this camera. So just make sure that you have this type of card, SD class 10 microSD card as well. And again, you're gonna insert the SD card just right here. See here in the bottom, there's the slot, insert it here and move the lens down again, right? Just hit here, got it. And here the camera is going to do the firmware update from 3 AM to 5 PM. Just hit got it and just wait for it to connect. You see here that's offline, and after some time it's going to go online. There we go, it's working. Let me just put the camera back there so you see some motion from the street. There we go, I just tap on it and see here the microSD card is identified. I just come here to the settings just to make sure that I have the card in good condition. You see here local storage. The card is good. And it's working with the loop recording, which means the camera is gonna cycle and delete old videos and record the new ones. We'll keep always recording, right? So I can also format SD card. So here there's also motion detection. You see it's enabled here on my cell phone. It's going to detect motion all the time. I can come here and format the SD card. It's a good idea when you start the SD card for the first time. Just wait for it to finish. Depending on the card that you have, it's going to take longer to format. There we go. And just come back here and confirm that you have the recording schedule good. You see here, that's for motion detection. I can just edit here and use continuous recording if I want to as well. I just need to paint here to record continuously, and I can just save, or I can just come back and cancel. It's up to you, but it comes like this. And then you have local recording enabled and record sound as well. Let's come back here and make sure that you have detection also enabled here. So it's set for the entire area. Okay, and here I can also check that I have motion detection enabled, person detection enabled, camera tampering is off. I can just put it on if I want to. That's to detect if somebody blocks the camera or spray the camera, for example. And you have also baby crying. There's a mic there on the camera that can detect a baby crying, right? You can adjust the sensitivity here from 1 to 10. 6 is the default. You can adjust accordingly and check if it works for you. Here as well, person detection. Let me leave here to the default and you're good to go. And it's going to work here. Okay, and you can come here to the main screen and hit the playback and download to check the recording. Okay, we just formatted the SD card and it's already recording here. You see here it's blue. That means the card is there and it's available for recording. And I also have here the cloud recording, which I didn't start yet, right? So it's recording only in the SD card and I'm good to go. Okay, so super simple. And you can just come here and explore everything that you have available. You can come here and enable and disable the alarm. I have another video here in the channel where I show how to set up the alarm for the Tapo C210 as well. You can talk somebody close to the camera. There's a speaker there and a microphone, so you can talk to somebody close to the camera and they can talk back to you. You can enable the privacy mode here, so it's no longer recording, it's no longer available here live as well. Exit the private mode, and you can also just take a screenshot and that goes to your phone here and also record on your phone. So here you are recording on your phone and in the SD card at the same time, right? It's a separate feature here. When you stop recording here, the camera still keeps recording into the SD card back there by motion, right? And here's the audio. You can enable, disable, talk to somebody close to the camera, control the pen and tilt movement from here, horizontally and vertically. And you can also create presets. So just tap on the preset, the camera goes directly to the preset. And control, I'll also use the patrol and panoramic view. So super simple. And here, there's also a lot of different features here that you can check, okay? So a video display, you can change here the resolution, frame rate, invert the image, select the privacy zones, and change the display info, and also the tag that shows up when there's motion in front of the camera. Change the status LED, you turn it off so you don't see an LED on the camera. And here you can enable and disable notification, advanced settings. There are a lot of different things here as well. And share the device with friends and family, and smart actions. You can, let's say, work with Tapo device with smart actions. Let's say you leave home, something happens, there's motion in front of the camera, something else happens, you can turn on light, you can turn off light, and do whatever you want in the Tapo ecosystem, okay? And you have user guide, support center, firmware update, and from here you can also reboot the camera and remove the camera. By removing here, you're gonna reset the camera, okay? So super simple, everything working here. That's the way you can set up your Tapo C210 on Android, okay? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, give the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.